What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Matic, currently sitting at $1.34. Big pump, up 6%. Sitting in market cap 11.44 billion. 24-hour volume, 735 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, make sure to sign up. Grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. Do most of my trading here on Bitkit. Check out my full length tutorials. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So let's hop into Matic. So we've broken out. So I've readjusted the wave count as we'd still have to be putting in a wave 5. So potentially from the low, wave 2 low, you've come up in a wave. You've come up in a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback, pushed up in a 3, ABC into 4. And now you're looking at an ending diagonal into a wave 5. The wave 5 would be longer than the wave 3, which is uncommon, but not impossible. So what I'm looking at here is the ending diagonal. So you push up in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. Here's your wave 3, wave 4, and now you're pushing up in a wave 5. The top resistance of this wedge is currently sitting at $1.34, so that could definitely act as resistance. And if you look at this next chart here, you can see we're pushing up into an absolutely massive level. Check this out, guys. Matic right now, one of the strongest movers, only 53% down from the all-time high. Absolutely insane. From the bottom here, currently we're up about 295%. Major resistance in this level. Definitely an area that we could see a pullback, which I am expecting for Matic. As you can see, bearish divergence, money still flowing out, printing a divergence on the daily. These can take time to play out here, but that's what I'm looking at. At the high end, your next level of resistance all the way up at about $1.53. All right, gang. So taking a look at Ethereum, same thing. I think we put in a wave 4. And right now you're looking at an ending diagonal, wave 5. So you have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. And you'd push up in a wave 5, could take you up to about 751 to about 1791. Now, if we do break 1791 and it invalidates the ending diagonal to the downside, which is the bearish wave count, and basically you can focus on the bottom being in for our friend Ethereum. All right, gang, taking a look at the next chart, we have a rising wedge pushing up into resistance here. As you can see, we have resistance right here, resistance here. If we scroll all the way back, currently the price is pushing up into this resistance area as well. Money flowing out, bearish D. So if we do eventually break down from this rising wedge, technical target, bottom of the wedge about 1490. But I'd be looking for a bit of a larger pullback here for the price of Ethereum. But if we do complete that 5-wave move at about 1791 or at about 1755, then what we'd be looking for is a wave 2 pullback. So you push up in a wave 1, as you can see right here, wave 1, and then you'd pull back in a wave 2. And you'd look for a retracement. Grab my fib retracement here from the bottom to the top. Where is the price currently? Actually, it needs to go right here. In between the 0.5 at 1358 and the 786 at about 1187 for the price of ETH. All right, gang. Now, if we do break above 1791 and we continue to push up, then your next major resistance is about 1995. So that's basically it for this little update. As you can see, we are pushing up towards that resistance of the rising wedge. And as you can see on the daily time frame, as we continue to create higher highs, we do continue to create slightly lower highs on the RSI. This is Gemini, so this is not the best chart. You can see it better here. The divergence is more clear. So watch 130 to about 135. That's definitely a potential area where we could see a rejection. If we break through that, which would just be incredible, then the next resistance here about 153. All right, gang, so that's it for this one. If we do pull back from here, then we look for a wave 2 pullback. We'll give a quick measurement from the bottom of the wave 1. Let's say we get rejected at $1.34. Then you look for a pullback in between the 0.5 at $1 or the 0.786 at about 84 cents before potentially pushing up in a wave 3. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. Check out my full-length tutorials. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news. You can see how the members are doing. They like to post their profits in here. Let it load up really quickly. 89% profit. let me see here. Hunnit closed his GRT trade for 685% profit. Absolutely insane. And Mahalo all plays 10 USD per month. All other chat rooms are completely free if you sign up to one of the exchanges. Email me or sign up email. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.